Guys, welcome back to my channel. So here comes the unboxing of Honor X10 as Redmi has launched 10X. So Honor has changed the name as X10. Here comes the piece of the phone where you can see it covered in polythene cover, and here's the box accessories where you can see the SIM tray remover and the manuals, and there is a gift coupon for Chinese so they can avail it. And here comes the box piece where you can see with rubber case in it where you can put it to your phone, and here's the USB type C port, USB charger, and that comes with the 22.5 watt charging capacity. And here's the phone, which looks pretty amazing. And on the back side, when you see, you can see it's some X type design. So they have shown the X in this way so that you can know the name of the device when compared to other Honor devices. And this comes with the 6.63-inch display with 1080 pixels of resolution of the display, and this has a triple camera on the back side, or you can see here that is 40 MP plus 8 MP plus 2 MP rear cameras, and on the selfie side where you can see 16 MP camera. This has flash as well so that you can take the photos even in the night as well. Here comes the side display or side of the phone where the fingerprint is attached to the power button. Whenever you keep your finger on the power button, you can easily unlock your device. And these are the speakers and the USB connection port where you can charge your phones. And let's start with the other specifications or the device details. So this is the 6.63-inch display which I have told you just now, and it comes with the 6GB variant and 8GB variant with 64 and 128GB of storage, where it can be expandable up to 256GB. And here in the about phone or other setting details, you can see here this has Magic UI with Android 10 so that you can upgrade your phones to Android 11 version if released. And you can also check other settings of the phone, and here this is the powerful feature or different feature this phone has implemented. Whenever you knock the screen, it takes the screenshots. You can also decrease or increase the size of the screenshots that you want to take on this phone. And coming to the camera, it has triple camera and the selfie camera. So whenever you take the photos, it pops up the camera, and you can also check the next video from us where how durable is the pop-up camera. And here comes the device with different features, like it has powered by 4300 mAh battery, and it weighs 203 grams. And that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon please.